Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about questions words in English. What? Meaning asking for reason, explanation. For example, what's the matter? What time it is? When? Meaning ask about person, act as the subject of the sentence. For example, when can I see you? When did you last see him? Next, why? Meaning asking for reason, explanation. For example, why are you late? Why was he late? Who? Meaning ask about person, act as the subject of the sentence. For example, who is that woman? Who are you? How? Asking for way, manner, form. For example, how does it work? How do you go to school? Which? Meaning asking about chances. For example, which is better exercise, swimming or tennis? Which of the applicants has got the job? How often? Meaning asking about frequency. For example, how often do you go swimming? How many? Meaning asking about quantity used with countable nouns. For example, how many people were there? Where? Meaning asking in or at what place or position. For example, where do you live? Where are my boots? If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.